Welcome to English Language Academy. The Honest Woodcutter, a story of integrity. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by a thick forest, there lived a woodcutter named Ramu. He was a simple man, known for his honesty and hard work. Every morning, Ramu would go to the forest, cut wood, and sell it in the village market. This was how he earned his living. One bright morning, Ramu carried his axe to the forest. He looked for the best trees to cut. As he walked along a small river, he saw a tall, strong tree. "This tree will provide good wood," he said to himself. Ramu started chopping the tree. Suddenly his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the river. The water was deep, and Ramu couldn't see his axe. He sat by the riverbank, feeling sad. "How will I work now?" he thought. As Ramu sat there, a divine figure appeared before him. It was a beautiful angel with shimmering wings. She smiled and asked, "Why are you so sad, Ramu?" Ramu bowed respectfully and said, "Oh, kind angel, my axe fell into the river. It is my only tool to earn a living." The angel nodded and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." She dived into the river and came up holding a shiny golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Ramu looked at the golden axe and shook his head. "No, this is not my axe," he said honestly. "My axe was simple, made of iron." The angel smiled and dived back into the river. This time she brought up a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Again, Ramu shook his head. "No, this is not my axe either," he said. "My axe was not silver. It was an old iron axe." The angel was pleased with Ramu's honesty. She went into the river one last time and brought up the iron axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Ramu's face lit up with joy. "Yes, this is my axe. Thank you so much," he said. The angel was so impressed with Ramu's integrity that she decided to reward him. "Because you are honest, I will give you all 3 axes, the golden, the silver, and your iron axe," she said. Ramu couldn't believe his luck. He thanked the angel again and again. He carried the axes back to his village and told everyone about his experience. The villagers were amazed by his honesty and the angel's generosity. From that day on, Ramu's life changed. He became respected in the village, not just for his hard work, but also for his truthfulness. He always remembered the lesson that honesty is rewarded in ways one cannot imagine. And so, Ramu lived a happy and content life, inspiring others to be honest and truthful. The story of the honest woodcutter became famous, teaching people the value of integrity for generations to come. Moral of the story: honesty is always the best policy. It may not bring immediate rewards, but it will bring lasting happiness and respect. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.